Today, I'm going to walk you through how to master task types in Clickup, a powerful feature that helps you organize and distinguish different kinds of work in your projects with crystal clarity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up custom task types for your team, making your workflow smoother and your project management smarter. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Clickup profile. You'll find your profile avatar right up in the top right corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and give that a click. From here, select Settings. Think of Settings as your control room. It's where you can tweak the platform to fit your team's unique needs, and today we'll focus on customizing task types. Inside Settings, look for task types in the sidebar or list. Clicking Task Types takes you to the spot where all the magic happens. You're about to create a system that speaks your team's language. Why bother with custom task types? Well, every team handles a variety of tasks. Maybe some are bugs, some are requests, or maybe you want to distinguish between client deliverables and internal reviews. Custom task types help everyone quickly recognize the nature of a task at a glance. It might seem like a small change, but it truly cuts down on confusion and boosts productivity. Now let's actually create a new task type. Hit that Create New Task Type button here, where you can let your team's workflow shine. First, give your new task type a singular name like bug or review. You'll also be prompted for a plural name. This is for clarity in lists, so it becomes bugs or reviews depending on what you choose. This part might take a few moments as you think through what types will be most useful for your team. Don't worry if you're undecided right now. You can always come back and tweak this later. Next up is the description field. Take a moment here and write a short, clear description for your team. Maybe something like, use this task type for any issue that needs fixing, or choose this for tasks that require client feedback. These little notes are a fantastic way to build shared understanding, especially if you're onboarding new team members or collaborating with folks outside your department. Even a sentence or two can prevent mix-ups and save everyone time. Once you're happy with the name and description, go ahead and hit Create Task Type. And just like that, you've established a new way to categorize your work in Clickup. Now, how do you use these new task types in your actual projects? Let's set a default. Open up any project, then look for the little 3 dots icon. That's your project options menu. Click those 3 dots, and from the drop-down select Default Task Types. Setting a default makes sure that every new task in this project starts off with the right type by default, keeping your organization tight right from the get-go. This is especially handy if you're managing a project that's dominated by one kind of work, like website updates or content reviews. Finally, let's talk about changing task types for individual tasks. Click on any task and look for the area where you can select its type. Choose the task type that fits best. Maybe you assign a bug or a feature request, or whatever custom names you created earlier. It's just a click, but it transforms how tasks show up throughout your workspace. Don't worry if you ever make a mistake or want to change it later. You can always adjust task types as you go, and there you have it. By setting up and using custom Clickup task types, you'll make it easier for your whole team to navigate projects and communicate what each piece of work really involves. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions or ideas in the comments below. I love hearing how you're using Clickup, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.